double stuffed pork chop with Boudin rice, crawfish cream sauce, and a wonderful sauteed green beans wrapped in bacon. Y'all ready? First, we're going to be taking duck fat, rolling this on all sides just like so. Now adding in our Cajun seasoning, make sure we're coating everything. Putting this with a nice little slit right down the middle. We're going to be stuffing this with some green onions and also some of our Boudin link. Remove the casing, stuff right inside. Now we're going to ready for our sous vide machine. We're going to be requiring 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of thyme. Put this nice into a bag, get this ready to go. Now we're going to be vacuum sealing this just like so, seal tight. From here, placing this into a water bath. The water needs to be a total of 140 degrees. We're going to be cooking this for a minimum of 1 hour and 30 minutes. Perfect. While that's cooking, taking in our Dutch oven, adding in some extra virgin olive oil, onion, bell pepper, celery, garlic all chopped. Saute this till translucent just like so. Very nice. Next, adding in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Perfect. Add in the onions last to prevent burning. Now adding in Cajun seasoning. Next, 1 pound of crawfish tails drained. Now diced tomatoes drained. From here, adding in our wonderful heavy cream. Give this a nice mix. Perfection. Half cup of chicken stock. 1 whole lemon juice. Lower down the fire, simmer on low for 5 to 10 minutes till the sauce is thickened. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley for garnish. And there we have it. Now we're going to be taking our small cast iron skillet, adding in a little bit of duck fat on the bottom, baking our wonderful stuffed pork chops for 450 degrees till it gets a nice hard sear on top. Now into our bacon wrapped green beans, just like so. Sear till crispy. Very nice. Playtime. First, we're going to be drizzling our wonderful sauce right on top of the pork chops and laying 2 bunches of green beans on the side. We're going to be serving this with Division Gamay Louette from Willamette Valley. Deep dark mineral note, classic white pepper tones. Finished with soft tannins and outstanding acidity. A perfect wine for your perfect dinner. Look how amazing this is. A wonderful double stuffed pork chop with Boudin, served with a crawfish cream sauce and sauteed green beans. This will surely impress any guests. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow, and I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!